Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to remove copyright from your video, because I've noticed that many of us usually delete our videos that have copyright. So if you believe and you know that that content that has the copyright is for you, you don't need to delete that video. All you have to do is go to your YouTube studio. So I'll be taking you through on how to remove copyright from your video. So follow me to my studio. I just recently got a message that one of my video that I posted months ago have copyright. Imagine video that I posted months ago have copyright by now. Where is the video? So guys, this is the copyright video. You will see, you will just go to see details. So these are the things here. So as you can see, this is the place that the copyright affected. This area here, as you guys can see, this is the area that the copyright affected. And this video I posted it months ago. So we are going to take action for it now. So say select action. You can mute the place, you can replace the song, or you can trim the place out entirely. So you don't need to trim the place out, you don't need to mute the music, you don't need to, yeah, all you need to do is replace the music, because YouTube have provided you with music on your YouTube studio that you can use. I don't know how to use those music directly, I don't know. What is only when I got a copyright, that is when I remember that there is music here for me to use. So it's just for me to come here, press on this replace music. When you press on replace music, it will bring a lot of music out for you. You see, these are one of YouTube music. You okay, you play it to see if it suits whatever you want to do before you can add it. I don't like that one. I don't like that one, so I have to keep searching. I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. I don't like that. There is a lot of music here, so you just have to I think I have to go back up, just take any one. Yeah, you see this place here say add, this place here that say add. I think I have to check another one. So this place that say add, just click on it and the music will just add automatically. So you see, the music has added. You will save. So another thing you have to bear in mind is, if you can see the music just ended in this place, in this spot, so it's a more action. Let's see what it will show us. Either you remove or license info, so I don't need to go check all this information like at all. So as you can see, the music just end there, end in this place. If the copyright place is longer than the music you are going to use, So all you have to do is do one session today. Tomorrow you come back and do another session. Because for me, I think that is how it works here. You can't just feel everything at once. So you do it session by session. So you just go and click your save. So these are what you say. Claim won't automatically release. The claim won't be automatically released because the replacement audio does not cover the entire claim action. If you feel that the claim is inaccurate, you may dispute the claim once the edit finishes processing. So you save it and you come back later to come and finish it. So let's see if I can do more again at once. Unavailable, you can see it say unavailable because you cannot do more than once at a time. So we'll leave it and come back and finish it up later. So this is how you can remove copyright from your videos. So this is the part. I think some part of it is being covered already, so I will just come back and cover the rest. So thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share to others, because I've seen that even my friend fall a victim to this as well. She deleted almost 15 videos that she made without reusing people's content, just the music that she added. She have to delete almost 15 videos, and we don't know. Even me myself, I deleted almost 1 or 2 videos from my channel because I don't know what to do anymore. That is why I deleted it. So you don't have to delete it when you are sure that the content is for you. You don't need to delete it. All you need to do is go to your YouTube studio and just replace or mute the music entirely. So that is all you need to do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.